In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sender email address in Zoho Forms. This process is straightforward, but vital for ensuring your forms work efficiently and present a professional appearance when they reach your audience. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to start by logging into Zoho Forms. Head over to forms.zoho.com and enter your Zoho account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you're set up, go ahead and log in. This will bring you to your Zoho Forms dashboard, where you'll find all your existing forms and settings. Once you're inside, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You'll notice a gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this, or alternatively, you can go to the Settings section from the side menu if that's more convenient for you. The Settings section is where you'll find all the configuration options you need to tailor your forms to your specifications. Within the settings, you'll want to locate the email settings. This can come across as something like From Address, Setup, depending on updates or your account configurations. Either way, click on Email Settings. It's essential that you're in the right place because this is where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up email sender addresses. Now, you're ready to add a new sender email address. To do this, look for the option that says Add Sender Email. Once you find it, click on it and enter the email address you intend to use as your sender address. For example, you might use something like support@yourcompany.com. It's important to choose an email that aligns with your brand identity and communication style. After entering your desired email address, Zoho will dispatch a verification email to that address. So, make sure you have access to the inbox you're using. Head over to your inbox and look for the verification email from Zoho. This is a critical step because without verification, you won't be able to use this email as your sender address. Open the email and click the link provided to confirm that you own the address. Upon successful verification, your email should appear in the list of available sender addresses within Zoho Forms. It's always a good idea to double-check that the email is listed correctly, ensuring all previous steps were completed successfully. The final step in this process is setting the verified email as your sender address for form notifications. Go back to your form and locate the Notifications section. Click on Email Alerts, and from there, you'll find a drop-down labeled From. Choose the new sender email you just verified. Once selected, make sure to save your changes. And with that, you're all set. Thanks for joining us today, and if this video helped you, consider liking or commenting below. Stay connected for more practical tips and tutorials.